Hello guys, Edwin here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Oasis AI browser extension and farm the airdrop. The team has confirmed that there will be an airdrop for farming the points, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, head over to your app store and install the Mrs. browser. Okay, you can see I have the Mrs. browser here. Make sure you have the Mrs. browser updated to the latest version also. Now I'll be dropping these files in my Telegram channel. Make sure you go ahead and download them. Okay, let's open our Mrs. browser. Click on our extensions. Go ahead and open wallet settings. Let's import the wallet from a CRX file. Okay, so when you download the files, you find them here on your files, on your iPhone files. Go ahead and import the CRX-Extractor. Okay, you can see my CRX-Extractor has been downloaded. Now head over to Chrome Web Store and search Oasis browser, or you can just search it right here, Oasis AI Extension. Okay, as you can see, Oasis AI Extension from the Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and click on Add to Desktop. I have already added it, so it's going to show us ticked already. Go ahead and click on it. Click on Extensions. Click on the CRX-Extractor or your downloader. Okay, so we can see you can download as a zip, we can download as a CRX file. Go ahead and download as a CRX file. Okay, our file has been downloaded. Now, when you download the file, you have to import the file into your browser again. Go ahead and open Wallet. Click on Wallet Settings. You're going to install from a CRX file again. So click on it. Locate Mrs. browser folder within your files. Locate Downloads. This is the file we just installed, which is the Oasis AI extension. Go ahead and click on it to import. Okay, now our extension has been imported. Go ahead and sign in your Oasis AI account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up with my link below. Okay, go ahead and sign in. Click View. I'm going to log in my account. Okay, log in. As you can see, this is mine. But when you log in, don't just leave it. Make sure you are farming the points, else you are going to be getting nothing. Click on your extension, open Oasis AI. When you see this, it shows sign in again. Go back. Okay, back to provider. As you can see, when you see this page, go ahead and give any name to your provider. Okay, so I'm going to give in DeFi Edwin. That's going to be the name of my provider. Autocorrect. Autocorrect, but just forget about it. Okay, you've created a name for your provider. Now click on your extensions. Click on the Oasis AI to check and see if your points are being farmed. As you can see, the extension is on and it's being farmed. Okay, so our extension is active and it's farming the points for us. Make sure you keep on checking every day so you know your points are being farmed. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and leave any issues you face in the comment below. And if you are new to this airdrop, make sure you sign up with my link. Thank you very much.